Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. 5 games are scheduled for Sunday to mark the start of the new season in the Jamaica Premier League. Christopher Scott has our preview.
Treasure Beach from St. Elizabeth only needed 1 season to return to the Jamaica Premier League. And with their eyes set on staying in the nation's top flight, they will kickstart their season's campaign against the team that defeated them in the Tier 2 final, Spanish Town Police FC. However, Treasure Beach's head coach, Kimar Ricketts, says he sees the matchup against their opponents in a different light.
I wouldn't say revenge. I wouldn't want to use revenge because we can't get revenge. They won us in the final. They got the trophy, so kudos to them. I won't take anything away from them. They're a good unit. But what we want now is a new competition with a new challenge, and we're looking forward to it. We want to start with a win.
After a season that saw Veer United being relegated under the leadership of Phoenix Academy, Craig Butler has stayed in Clarendon but is now at a different team, Chapelton Maroons. President Casey Butler says that the transition has been smooth and noted the difference between the two clubs. They will face Tivoli Gardens at Turner's Oval at 3 p.m. on Sunday.
Our previous agreement with Veer was actually a management agreement. So with this one, we've been able to kind of implement more things. So it's been a very fun and interesting experience. It's a great mix of players, and I've enjoyed meeting everybody and in terms of community and the players themselves. And yeah, it's been very positive.
Technical Director of Cavalier Rudolph Speed says there are many changes in the setup this season and believes the changes will show in how they play this campaign. The proof could come against Harbourview in the late game of a doubleheader at the Stadium East Field at 6:30 p.m.
You'll be surprised. We're going to be playing a lot different this year because you have to design a system to play based on the players that you have.
In the curtain raiser at the same venue, Malines United will face Waterhouse at 4 p.m. The other game on Sunday will see last year's runners-up, Mount Pleasant FA, hosting Montego Bay United at Draxall Sports Complex at 3 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.